Tired of digging through endless menus in Seller Central? This 10-second trick saves hours. Let me show you how to do it in today's video. So first you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central, and then there's this bookmark area. So you can actually add bookmarks. I recommend to add inventory, ads, account health, performance notification, and payments. You can add anything you want, but you can just click edit right here. And let's see, you can just exit and change them around. So if we want to add inventory right here, because we always click on inventory, what we can do is go to the inventory tab right here and then click this little bookmark button. You'll see ads right here, and then we can organize it because there's there's things you want to do every single day when you log into Amazon. Like check your inventory, check your Amazon ads, make sure they're not overspending or underspending. Check your account health, check your performance notifications, check your payments to make sure everything's going good on that side and Amazon's not charging you tons of fees. This little section is going to definitely help you skip to different pages on Amazon without waiting. So check it out if you haven't before. But that's it for today's video. What's your favorite Seller Central time-saving trick? Share it below in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.